Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this video, we will guide you through the replacement process of a rear shock for a Mercedes-Benz R-Class with ADS, W251, with an Arnott part. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly, and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Prep the vehicle by setting the steering straight ahead and raising the vehicle. Then remove the applicable rear wheel. Locate the air spring's air line and disconnect it. This will relieve stress from the suspension. In the rear cargo area, remove all the applicable trim panels to gain access to the upper shock mounting fasteners. Reference the vehicle manufacturer's instructions for removal of the interior paneling. Now that the trim panels are removed, lift the insulation to access the top mount nuts and remove them. Disconnect the shock's damping solenoid electrical connector that is located on the control arm just behind the shock. Then loosen and remove the lower shock mounting bolt and remove the old shock. With the removal complete, install the replacement shock with the solenoid facing outwards and reinstall the lower mounting bolt. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now reconnect and reattach the ADS electrical connection back to the original mounting location on the control arm. In the rear cargo area, lift the insulation to gain access to the top mount nuts and reinstall them. Reinstall the interior panels and rear wheel to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear Mercedes-Benz R-Class shock with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.